From the skies to the battlefield, drones are revolutionizing modern warfare in ways we could have only imagined a few decades ago. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are not just tools, they are game changers, altering the very fabric of how wars are fought. Welcome to Drone Wars 3.0. In this episode, we delve deep into the cutting-edge world of drone technology. Today we're diving into the world of autonomous swarms and AI-driven hunters, exploring how these advancements are reshaping military strategies. Autonomous swarms, a concept once confined to science fiction, are now a reality. These swarms can operate in perfect harmony, executing complex maneuvers with precision. First up, loitering munitions, also known as kamikaze drones. Once a niche technology, these flying explosives have become a standard tool in modern arsenals. These drones are not only cost-effective but also incredibly precise, capable of hitting targets with pinpoint accuracy. Their ability to wreak havoc on battlefields worldwide has made them indispensable in modern warfare. Next, let's talk about the $500 threat. Modified FPV racing drones, originally designed for sport, are now being armed with explosives. These agile and fast drones are capable of taking out multi-million-dollar targets, making them a cost-effective weapon for asymmetric warfare. Armored vehicles and critical infrastructure are no longer safe, as these drones can easily bypass traditional defenses. But it doesn't stop there. The integration of AI into drone technology has taken things to a whole new level. AI-enhanced targeting systems are now a reality. These systems allow drones to automatically recognize and engage targets, reducing the need for human intervention and minimizing errors. This means faster decision-making processes and a significant reduction in human errors, making military operations more efficient and effective. And it's not just nation-states that are leveraging this technology. Non-state actors are also getting their hands on sophisticated drones. These groups are using drones to level the playing field, challenging traditional military powers in new and unexpected ways. Smaller nations and insurgent groups are now able to deploy advanced drone technology, making the battlefield more unpredictable. To counter these threats, dedicated drone interceptors are being developed. These specialized drones are designed to hunt and neutralize hostile UAVs. It's a high-tech game of cat and mouse, with each side constantly evolving to outsmart the other. And the future? Swarm attacks. Coordinated drone assaults are pushing defensive technologies to their limits, forcing militaries to innovate rapidly. Major players like China, Turkey, the US, and Iran are leading the charge in advanced drone exports, each vying for dominance in this new era of warfare. But innovation isn't just limited to the skies. Maritime drone warfare is expanding too, with naval drones playing a crucial role in modern conflicts. These drones are capable of conducting surveillance, launching attacks, and even engaging in anti-submarine warfare, making them versatile tools in naval operations. Conflicts like the one in Ukraine serve as rapid testing grounds for these technologies, driving innovation and the development of new tactics. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical and legal debates surrounding the use of autonomous weapons are heating up. Policymakers and experts are grappling with the implications of these technologies, debating how to regulate their use while balancing military advantage and ethical considerations. That's a wrap on Drone Wars 3.0. We've only scratched the surface of this rapidly evolving field. Stay tuned for more insights into how technology is shaping the future of warfare. The battlefield of tomorrow is being defined today.